Rolling in, boys and girls. I don't know, can you see, well, let me see if I can zoom in. I can see a wind roll over there. Can you see the clearing skies? Maybe you can't see it on the camera. Oh yeah. Coming in from the north. Temperatures dropped at least 10 degrees real quick. Bill Goudy checking in. I tell you what, let me get out of this weather. It's going to rain. Yeah, it's going to rain. It's coming. There's a big old bubble coming our way. And then after that, it looks like clear skies. So I had to quit. Doing my mowing and my cutting. I had to quit my mowing and cutting a brush, chipping. I guess I needed a break. I've been so darn tired. By the time I get done working all day, I don't even feel like making a video. So hey, it's 12:49 and I'm making a video. I shot a video last night with some of that honey, garlic, habanero pepper. It was a buffalo wing sauce that I got at that Pepper Palace. Oh my, was that good.
The options. You probably noticed the echo. It happens when we double.
Cottage cheese with a little black pepper. My wings with the wing sauce, the Wing Master wing sauce. Yeah, 0 calorie Zevia. There's only 5 grams of carbs in that cottage cheese to a half a cup. So, and that's not a half cup. That's probably about a quarter cup, I suppose. Let's dig in, shall we? Let's give this a try, shall we? Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's got some heat, but it's sweet. The sweet heat. It's really good. Let's see how many carbs are in this. It says, well, 8 grams of carbs. So that's not bad. You know, there's 10 grams of carbs in a Busch beer. I'm not drinking a Busch beer, so I can have this tonight. That's good. I'm telling you, sweet and hot. Cleared your sinuses. I had it on the wings. Yeah, highly recommend it. And I'll tell you what, it says wing, it says buffalo wing, but I'm telling you, I'm thinking that would be excellent on some pork chops or maybe even on some ribs. Yeah, it just got that nice kick to it. Well, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. They're saying 50-mile-an-hour gusts and some hail, and it's coming. Coming our way right now. There she is. Just pouring. They just added Hancock County, and that's where I'm at. Hancock County, severe thunderstorm warning. You know, the good thing about this, gives me time to edit this video. Anything bad happens, I'll bring you back. But in the meantime, I'm going to do some computer work download some videos, and yeah, do that kind of stuff till this clears up, and then I'll get back out there and hit it. It dropped. It's 69 degrees outside right now, and it was 80, so hey, I like that. I'm liking that a lot. Listen, I won't take any more of your time. I'll talk at you later. Go Goudy out.